deal? It's your boy Ron Smooth. We back with another banger video. In today's video, I'm just gonna bring y'all a little POV. I'm gonna see what we do today, but y'all see, man, it do look great outside, man. It do look great. I believe it's like, I ain't gonna lie, I think it's like 60, 50. I ain't even exaggerating. She like got the window crack. Gotta be feeling good. So lately, y'all, I've been doing straight reviews. I just gotta be more consistent. Hopefully the views start to pick up. But right now I just gotta keep picking up the camera and just keep dropping for real. I'm taking out the job today. Take it to sport real quick. Do a little pull. Wait, don't stop. I think I seen some lights, so hold on. Yep. For sure have seen some lights. Happy I didn't just float my shit down here. But yeah, so it's a good day out here, man. We in sport with it. I'm trying to get some more distance on them before I do a pull for real. Telly right there. So I want to drop the window a little bit, but I think I can hear that wind, so I don't know if that's throwing the video off, but it's a quick little POV, so it shouldn't even matter. Got to get through there. They out here deep. If that was the boys again, I was about to say they out here deep. That was the boys right there, but like I said, excuse that camera lens flare over there. Trying to get that fixed. I still gotta find the right camera strap to fix it. But I bought the phone with like a cracked lens, so it do make it look a little blurry. It's only in the 0.5 though, cause when I go up here, it don't do it type shit. So that's only my 0.5 lens. Sport kind of day. Clearly my last video I wasn't cut up enough for y'all, so make sure I ain't getting followed either. I will go in here, dog DVD, no cap.
Cap.
Like, come on, what are you doing? You know you can go on a red light. This bitch was just snagging, no cap. That's how I like to drive in here. Wood launcher right here, but I ain't know no hot shit like that though. We down there on the 7, so I can't be doing anything. If you know that police department right there, you know where that bitch at. That bitch right there. No cap. Should try to launch this bitch right here, a little cap for y'all. Downshift too.
You dumbass motherfucker.
I really be having wheel, bro, with one hand, no cap. Downshifting and all with one hand. Only thing is, I don't know if I can ride sport mode on the 7 though. This bitch loud in sport. I might just call this shit, driving my car in sport mode. This bitch kick. It's a good day out here. I had to pick my camera up. Sick, we ain't running to shit though. But hey, we still out here. Car messy to the mud. I ain't probably gonna bring y'all a detailing video later. Cause my shit dirty as fuck. Shit, we can handle that quick. Ain't nothing to handle that, but shit, I got my ski all retarded. Oh man, y'all ain't even telling nigga.
One eternity later.
Had to throw shiesty on. Had to throw shiesty on one time.
You going to jail?
What do you say? Around 1700.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
Sit the fuck down.
Oh shit. Can really pedal all day in sport. He trying to turn now. Farting on niggas. I just seen the scat thing back there, but I don't think he trying to cut up. I don't know why. Tesla right there. This bitch be snagging. Lucky wanna hit the side street for y'all. Shit, one of these side blocks for y'all cut up real quick. Cause I feel like I got enough content for it for y'all boys.
Got him! Now we driving like a YN out here. Take out the sport just in case.
A few moments later.
Yeah, man, I thought I seen 12, so I had to put the camera down for a minute. Yeah, just give y'all a look. Let me put this back in sport. So y'all can know I'm actually in sport mode. Also, I've been in sport, my dumb man. So yeah, we back in sport with it. Do a little launch at this light up here. Chill, so you gotta get the launches every now and then. So make sure my coast is clear. y'all, man, that was today's video. I don't know if I'm, my bad. I don't know if I'm ending it right here or not, but I do gotta take a piss, so I'm about to hurry up and do this outro. But if I do end it, it's your boy Ron Smooth, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We out there.